We are responsible for bringing the change to the world we want to see. So we learn a lot, we teach a lot, we preach a lot, we pray a lot, we study a lot, we seek truth a lot. And the time now is, what are we actually going to do that makes a difference in healing the soul of humanity? There is such an event scheduled October the 7th. Raise the Roof, Unity World Headquarters, and the affiliated New Thought Network. It's 100% free. Music, message, uplift, sound bath, vendor fair, candlelight, labyrinth walk, fountains, nature trails, everything a human soul needs for some health and well-being. October the 7th. Get there any way you can and bring everybody you love, please. antn.org to get registered. See you there, and thank you.